Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 70 Plymouth Superbird and this is from their art card series. So honestly I don't know from which case this is somewhere, but I think somewhere around C case or D case, but I'm really not sure because I bought a mix of three cases like B, C and D. So let's unbox this one. Okay. Wow. So the first impressions of this car, actually it is quite heavy. So I'm expecting somewhere around 39 grams, 38, 39 grams. So apart from that, the paint job looks really nice. I don't see any issue here so far. And the colors are popping and it is really eye candy. It doesn't have any headlight details. I think if I'm not wrong, this car is supposed to have pop-up headlights. Just correct me if I'm wrong. And okay, the chassis is plastic and it does have some detailing to it, even though not much, but it does have some. And the body is fully metal including the spoiler here, which is really nice. So it doesn't have any tail light details either. So it has some exhaust details here. It looks really nice. Honestly I don't see any issues so far. So honestly, first time in this past 2 years, I'm really happy about buying Hot Wheels. The first six cars which we unboxed last week, maybe apart from a little bit of scratch on the windshield, I didn't see much of an issue on any of the castings, and everything rolled really well, and everything went really nice. Okay, okay, let's do a weight test now. Weighing test now. Okay. Okay. Okay, 41 grams more than I thought. Okay, it's a heavier casting and hope it will roll really well in the track. Let's do a roll test now. It does roll really well. And let's do take number two. So I don't see any wheel wobble so far. Yeah, it rolls so fast and it rolls really well and it doesn't create much noise. I don't want to damage the acrylic box. Okay, so it rolls really well. The paint job is really nice and it is a heavy casting. Honestly, it is one of my favorite casting and it looks so beautiful as well. So if you get a chance to buy this particular one, go ahead and buy it without any hesitation. So overall, it's a really nice addition to the collection. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.